How you doing? Welcome to Feral Art. Let's paint. Okay, so as per usual, I have painted my sides and edges with Prussian blue, and that's what this is. All of my colors will be in my description box.
I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. I get my...
Okay, trying to keep things pretty clean here. So today we're doing another go around with the next iteration of my Feral pouring medium, seeing if we can't get rid of some of that bubbly mess. So all of my colors again will be in my description box.
Sleep without you. No more nicotine turning my hands blue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my nails can grow and I bought new.
All right, let's see where we get.
I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I loved and I lost what's left of my heart. I'm saving for the future. And in the meantime, I'm all for me time. Feeling good and looking cuter. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. Pretty without you. I open my front door, the air feels so strange. Names and shapes all starts to change. But I see you clearly, like ink on a page. You'll be my pick of the day. Through the lines and climb new heights. Don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there. Let's go together. Hey, okay, let's take it to nowhere. Do you wanna go there?
somebody said the other day, sometimes I think you fiddle too much, and I do not disagree with that. So today we're going to leave this pretty simple. I'm going to torch this, and then we're going to come in for a close-up. Except for that little piece right there. Okay, that's better. Just a little less solid, you know? It's all good. All right, so let's do the close-up. Okay, here we are with our wet results. Now, I don't quite know which orientation I like this in the best. However, I thought I would just show it to you as it is. I did look at it from all the angles, walked around the table, had a nice look, can't figure it out. All right, so this iteration of pouring medium seems to not have the same issues as the last. Now, that's because I took one component completely out. How do I feel about that? Okay. I don't know. I'm just interested to see, you know, if it is a good thing or not. So I'm checking it out. Now, the one thing I didn't think about is the two sort of blues in this. One is opaque, one is transparent. I put the opaque one on top of the transparent one. Whoops. But that being said, I still think it's pretty. And as I said, all colors are in the description box. So, this is what we have. Now we go sparkletie hunting. We should have plenty. Now while I show you the sparkleties, I want to talk about the way that I blew out my base coat. You notice that I covered the outsides first and then blew toward the inside. It's because I had a feeling that however I ended up putting down my blowout colors, I was going to have some in the middle color of base. And when that happens, you very easily end up with like this deep sort of river. And that can be what I like to call in Kelly world a real fucking problem. Okay. It just makes problems. It makes your paint go weird. It makes like these deep places that can crack or get really weird when they dry, ripply, whatnot. So that's why I blew my base coat the way I did. If you don't remember, go back and have a look. It's okay. But yeah, I think that this iteration of base coat might just be less problematic than the last iteration, which is the direction I would like to be working in. And like I said, this base coat is just ingredients. It's stuff that you can get your hands on. I will probably reveal it in time, but I want to make sure it's right first. I don't want to send out some crazy recipe that y'all are like, girl, this is some shit. So we're not going to do that. But I will see you when this is dry. Okay, here are the dry results of my second PM mixing experiment. As you can see, we don't have as much of the texture this time. It's because I eliminated one whole product. But I do like the way it turned out. I wish I could get it to look on camera like it looks in person. However, as we all know, no one has made the perfect camera for fluid art just yet. I am not looking for it, and the sun just disappeared. So, what I got here is less cells, some cells still, which is fine with me because I like cells. I got a nice consistent blowout. I did not fiddle with it very much because I have a habit of fiddling. But I like the way it turned out. I wish that I had used the greenish blue over the brilliant blue. However, I do like it. It is pretty. We got a lot of nice flash, not a lot of trash. So yeah, there we go. So thank you very much for spending your time with me today. I surely do appreciate it. I know there are millions of other things you could be doing with your time. But if you would check before you go, make sure that subscribe button is pushed. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you, I always do. And there's always the hype button if you're of a mind. I don't know how much good it does, but I guess it doesn't hurt anything now, does it? So, there we go. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.